In this particular video, we're going to be looking at how it's really not very difficult at all to manage a trade. I'm currently positioned here on the floor. We've already processed the New York bar, this particular bar, and as you can readily see right here, we have a distinct downward price movement, a sort of a drop. So the signal itself arrived, and, well, obviously, when you observe these exceptionally long wicks appearing, and then you have even more of these tables, or rather these data points, it's a pretty sure sign that you're looking at a short position. But just to, definitively prove to you, unequivocally, that the indicator is actually functioning quite well, if you look closely here, you'll notice that you have a red dot. You're firmly in the red zone, and you also have the crypto indicator showing up as red. And then following that, it just continues to make further downward movements, these sorts of dips. So at this juncture, there's really no logical reason, absolutely none. You might be thinking here, yes, but I could have gone long. Well, sure, but you were in the red. You overlooked the crucial conditions. The conditions, you see, you can observe a blue dot signifying an entry point. You can also see a blue dot on the crypto indicator, which is currently showing red. However, for as long as you remain within the red zone, it essentially develops into a valid entry confirmation for a short trade. That's precisely how it begins. You could very well be positioned here, or perhaps even here, or even over here, looking for an entry. It's entirely possible that you might find yourself right here. But take a good look at this specific instance, these rapid plunges, and then right here, what exactly tells you that this was going to be a short position? And, it's not like we're all awake and actively trading at 8 a.m. in the morning, which is something I can certainly understand. The opening of the market, it came about, and we witnessed a situation where everyone was effectively shaken out. It was quite something. And here, this point right here.
And to actually witness the signal, obviously you must patiently await the appearance of a blue dot. You need to wait for the blue signal on the indicator itself. And crucially, you must not be within the red zone. And as you can clearly observe right here, we have this segment here, the Crypto-Quebec vector candle, and right here you can see the volume candle, and we are presently at 100% buying pressure over the last 7 minutes. Considering that these are 15-minute candles, this is a significant upward thrust. But this is a major indicator, a big clue. So it's always imperative to keep an eye on whether you've placed your bet. We were at 158 at that particular point. Normally, this could suggest a reversal is imminent. Therefore, patiently await your signal, and it will likely signify the anticipation of a long position, a bullish move. So we are anticipating a rather strong conclusion to the New York trading session, which is precisely what I'm seeing unfold. So if this particular strategy interests you in any way, feel absolutely free to send me a message, and you can join my team. See you soon. All the necessary details can be found within the description section. We'll see you again in another video.